Welcome to our comprehensive guide on Webull versus Robinhood, where we will explore the best free investing app for your needs. Both Webull and Robinhood are popular investment platforms that offer commission-free trading, but they have distinct features and benefits. First, let's start with the basics. Webull and Robinhood are both mobile-based investment platforms that allow you to buy and sell stocks, options, and other securities from your smartphone. They are both designed to be user-friendly and accessible to investors of all levels. One of the key differences between Webull and Robinhood is the range of investment products they offer. Webull offers a wider range of products, including stocks, options, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies, while Robinhood is primarily focused on stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies. Another important consideration is the user interface and experience. Webull is known for its advanced technical analysis tools and customizable charts, making it a great choice for more experienced investors. Robinhood, on the other hand, has a more streamlined and simplified interface that is well suited for beginners. In terms of fees, both Webull and Robinhood offer commission-free trading, but they have different fee structures for other services. Webull charges a small fee for options trading, while Robinhood charges a fee for margin accounts. When it comes to account minimums, both Webull and Robinhood have no minimum balance requirements, making them accessible to investors with limited capital. However, Webull does offer a premium account tier with additional features and benefits for investors with larger balances. Ultimately, the choice between Webull and Robinhood depends on your individual needs and investment goals. If you are a beginner investor looking for a simple and easy-to-use platform, Robinhood may be the better choice. However, if you are a more experienced investor looking for advanced technical analysis tools and a wider range of investment products, Webull may be the better option. In conclusion, both Webull and Robinhood are excellent free investing apps that offer a range of benefits and features. By considering your individual needs and investment goals, you can make an informed decision about which platform is best for you. Remember to always do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.